This is the brief on the predicted U.S. ground invasion of Iran. So based on game theory and military doctrine, a recent analysis predicts the U.S. is inevitably going to be forced into a ground war. And Iran simply due to the cold math of combat and the hidden motives of regional players first. We gotta look at the military cost pyramid. Right now, the U.S. fights upside down, relying heavily on wildly expensive air and naval power, but in a true war of attrition against a tough opponent like Iran. The U.S. has to return to a standard pyramid, putting the most affordable resource infantry soldiers right at the base. I mean, you literally can't afford a long war using only multi-million-dollar fighter jets, right? Second, there's the geopolitical trap, and this is kind of wild, but major regional players, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and even U.S. allies like Israel actually want the U.S. to get bogged down here there, strategically maneuvering to exhaust American military and political willpower. Why? Well, they're hoping a weakened U.S. will let them step up and claim absolute dominance in the Middle East. Finally, we have the Heartland Threat. Think of the Heartland as a massive Eurasian economic coalition, mainly Russia and China, and Iran teaming up to control global trade via land railways, totally bypassing America's traditional naval dominance. To stop this alliance from solidifying, the U.S. essentially has no choice but to use ground forces to decisively fracture Iran, because honestly, airstrikes alone just won't cut it. Ultimately, putting boots on the ground in Iran isn't just a preferred military tactic, but an absolute necessity for the U.S. to survive an economic war of attrition, navigate a web of regional traps, and maintain its grip on global power.